49. The apartments. This is the Madani Surah. It was revealed around the 9th year of Hijrah, when a large number of people entered in Islam. Many delegations were also coming to visit Medina to meet the Prophet, peace be upon him, and to learn about Islam. The surah has 18 verses in 2 sections. The purpose of the surah is to give Muslim teachings about the social manners, how to respect their leader, the Prophet, peace be upon him, and how to deal with each other. It has comprehensive guidelines to make a peaceful and harmonious society. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Respect of the Prophet, Prophet manner of dealing with reports, relations among the believers. Number 2. Moral and ethical teachings to keep group harmony and solidarity. Relations with groups and tribes. Faith is a favor of Allah to the believers.